Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, I'm bringing you something that demands attention because what we're seeing right now in the XRP chart is not random noise. The infinity signal, now upgraded with advanced AI architecture for greater speed, precision, and pattern recognition, has just detected a high-probability event window forming on XRP. And this isn't just another technical setup. The data suggests that we're standing at the edge of what could become one of the most traumatic price swings we've seen in months. Right here, this green arrow represents the point in the cycle where the infinity signal identifies a synchronized convergence of weekly and daily momentum geometry. In simple terms, the market's rhythm, its natural pulse, is aligning perfectly with the same structural point that produced a huge percentage price rally during the last identical signal phase. The difference this time? The upgraded infinity signal has become smarter, faster, and more flexible than ever before. This isn't a traditional lagging indicator. It doesn't react to market movement. It projects the geometry of momentum forward, identifying reversal points before they happen. And according to the model, the upcoming window, closing in on October 28th, could be a defining moment for XRP. The chart on the left shows the last time this formation appeared. The green zone marks a historical acceleration, a sharp upside break that occurred once the infinity signal's rhythm aligned with the asset's permanent reversal fingerprint. Every asset has its own internal pattern, a kind of digital heartbeat, and XRP's is one of the most consistent I've ever tracked. Right now, we're sitting on that same point again. The setup has reformed, the vertical rhythm markers are lining up, and the signal bands are beginning to compress, all signs that volatility is coiling. October 28th is where the next projection window opens, and if this setup unfolds the way the model anticipates, we could be looking at a large magnitude move. Now, I want to be very clear, this is not financial advice. This is an AI-driven analysis based solely on technical geometry and momentum pattern replication. But when you look at what's happening on-chain and you consider the mounting talk about XRP ETF approvals that could be finalized around this same time frame, the timing aligns almost too perfectly. The infinity signal's predictive engine, the same one that identified prior reversals weeks in advance, is once again issuing consecutive bullish confirmations. Each infinity bull mark that you see on screen confirms synchronized momentum across both the daily and weekly scales. That alignment doesn't happen often, and when it does, it tends to mark the start of significant directional shifts. So, what can we take from this? The AI-enhanced infinity signal is indicating that XRP's price structure is entering an inflection zone, a period where momentum, geometry, and historical cycle timing all merge. Whether you're a long-term investor or a short-term analyst, this is a moment to watch very closely, because when these patterns repeat, especially with this level of precision, they rarely go unnoticed by the market. Over the coming days, I'll be watching this projection closely as the infinity signal's data flow updates in real time. If we see follow-through momentum as projected, XRP could begin a multi-week expansion phase similar or possibly greater than the significant move we saw at the last cycle. We are entering the heartbeat of the next move. Stay tuned, because the infinity signal is flashing early, and history shows it's rarely wrong when this pattern forms. The AI-powered infinity signal, predicting the pulse of the market. Subscribe for the next update as we approach the October 28th window.